Every beat of your heart is the rhythm of your life story. A tireless engine within you, beating 100,000 times a day, fueling your moments, dreams, and everything you love. But here's a startling fact. Cardiovascular diseases claim more lives annually than all cancers and respiratory diseases combined. This fact isn't just a number. It's a wake-up call urging us to protect the beat that gives us life. Let's embark on a transformative journey to nurture this steadfast companion with knowledge and unwavering care. Understanding cardiovascular diseases. Let's imagine the inside of our heart's tubes, called arteries, getting clogged up like a blocked water pipe. This gunk, called plaque, can make it tough for blood to flow, just like a squeezed garden hose slows the water. If the blood can't move freely, it might lead to serious troubles like heart attacks or strokes, kind of like a garden not getting enough water wilts and fades. By choosing a healthier diet and increasing daily physical activity, you're giving your heart the power it needs to stay strong. Let's look at the type of diet that is key to cardiovascular health. Whole grains. Some examples like oats, brown rice, and whole wheat can make a big impact. Benefits: lower bad cholesterol, improve blood vessel health, and provide cholesterol-binding fiber. Leafy greens. Examples: spinach, kale, collard greens. Benefits: rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, lower blood pressure, and enhance blood vessel flexibility. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries can do wonders for our heart. Benefits: packed with nutrients and antioxidants, and protects against heart disease by reducing oxidative stress. Avocados. Benefits: loaded with monounsaturated fats, lower cholesterol, rich in heart-healthy potassium. Just a few key changes like these can make a lasting difference. Now let's look at certain supplements and vitamins for heart health. First, omega-3 fatty acids. Sources like fish oil and flaxseed oil. Benefits: lower triglyceride levels, reduce blood pressure, decrease arrhythmia risk. Second, coenzyme Q10 benefits. Energizes cell function, reduces blood pressure, and minimizes oxidative stress. Next, fiber supplements. A great example is psyllium husk. Benefits: helps to lower cholesterol and promote the removal of cholesterol from the body. Finally, magnesium. Benefits: essential for heart rhythm and helps to regulate blood pressure. Now let's take a look inside the body to the biological impact of a heart-healthy diet. Anti-inflammatory effects. Eating a heart-healthy diet reduces heart disease risk by lowering inflammation. Antioxidant properties. Eating specifically for heart health neutralizes free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and vascular damage. Improving endothelial function. The better we eat, the better the chance of enhancing blood flow and reducing arterial stiffness by improving the lining of the blood vessels. Cholesterol management. Soluble fiber lowers bad LDL cholesterol, aiding in its removal from the body. Now here are 3 more lesser-known options that are secrets for the heart and have amazing benefits. Number 1, chia seeds. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, chia seeds can help reduce blood pressure and improve overall heart health. Pro tip number 1, sprinkle on a serving of yogurt, blend into smoothies, or mix into oatmeal. Number 2, seaweed. Rich in iodine and omega-3 fatty acids, seaweed can support heart health by regulating blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart disease. It's a great source of antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, contributing to reduced heart disease risk. Pro tip number 2, incorporate into soups, salads, or sushi to enhance your diet with its unique nutrients. Number 3, turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can improve heart health by reducing inflammation and preventing plaque buildup in the arteries. Pro tip number 3, add to curries, smoothies, or teas for a flavorful health boost. These ingredients can be creatively incorporated into various dishes, enhancing flavor while boosting heart health. Let's point out the importance of early detection catch. Those heart hints early friends. Early checks can spot any troublemakers, like sneaky blockages, before they cause big problems. Remember this: lifestyle changes can prevent up to 80% of heart attacks. Your power to influence your health is immense. Every heart has a story. Make yours one of strength and resilience. What steps are you taking on your journey of heart health? Subscribe to the channel for more healthy tips and motivation to improve your healthy life. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our latest video revealing these superfoods to keep you looking younger. See you next time.